reporter will give you a hot news about mystery of a sound of a thump around Jakarta. The sound of a thump that was heard around Jakarta went viral on Saturday morning. The news became viral after a person on Twitter spreaded the issue that the boom came from the eruption of Anak Krakatau volcanic ash, because the Anak Krakatau had experienced an eruption on Saturday morning. There was also an article from the British tabloid news site, The Sun, which mentions that there were 4 asteroids that passed through the Earth, thus giving the implication of a boom due to the asteroid. The National Aeronautics and Space Agency, or LAPAN, confronted the news. According to head of LAPAN, Thomas Jamaluddin, it's not logical if the thumping sound that occurred due to asteroids. Thomas said that asteroids were passing a great distance, further from the Earth known distance. Yesterday, there were no asteroids falling in Indonesia, so there was no link to the sound of an asteroid's boom. Thomas stressed that the message circulating about asteroids and thumps was untrue news. Thomas said that the news reported the sound of the boom with an asteroid might be a hoax. The head of the Volcano Mitigation Division of the Center for Volcanology and Geological Disaster Mitigation, or the ESDM Ministries PVMBG, Hendra Gunawan said the thumping sound was heard at the observer posts of Mount Gede and Mount Salak. However, Hendra estimated that the boom came from the lightning rain on the 2 mountains. Hendra said that at the Mount Salak post had identified thunder, but the weather had not rained around the post. Certainly, the condition of the 2 mountains was still safe, aka not experiencing an eruption, while the activity of Mount Anak Krakatau in the Sunda Strait did not affect the activities of the 2 mountains in the Bogor area. PVMBG confirmed that the loud bang that was heard in Jakarta to Depok, West Java, not due to Mount Anak Krakatau, because the eruption on the mountain was Strombolian, so it did not produce a loud bang. He did not rule out the possibility of the sound of thumping in the early hours of the morning came from lightning. Hendra said that, speaking of which was possible, yes, it could, even though it all started with the complexity of the problem of sound wave propagation. Previously, according to the testimony of Jabodetabek residents, the sound of thumping was similar to an explosion that came from very far away. Shortly after the boom was heard, the community was shocked by the news of Mount Anak Krakatau, which had an eruption, so that the assumption begins to emerge that the phenomenon of the mysterious boom sound came from the eruption of the mountain. Here's the photo of Mount Anak Krakatau. Thank you for watching and see you next time.